Hi everyone, welcome back to Tech Tutor. In this quick video, I'll show you how to disable annoying notifications from any app fast and easy. Let's get started. On iPhone, first, open your phone settings app. Scroll down and tap Notifications. In the Notification Style section, you'll see a list of all your installed apps. Find the app you want to silence and tap on it. On this screen, simply toggle off the switch that says Allow Notifications. That's it. You've now silenced that app, no more distracting pop-ups or sounds. If you don't want to completely turn them off, you can also customize the settings, choose banners only, no sounds, or hide on lock screen. On Android, open Settings. Tap Apps, find the app you want to silence and tap on it. Next, tap Notifications and either turn them off completely or customize them to your preference. And there you have it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe to my channel for more practical tips. Thanks for watching.